Do you know how much a project manager is paid? According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a project manager is rupees 20,75,000 per year in India and $99,662 per year in the United States. So organizations are constantly looking for skilled project managers to ensure that projects are successfully planned, executed, and completed. So in this video, we are going to explore the project management career. In this video, let's learn about project management and the responsibilities of project managers. Let's then take a look at the project management career paths and a typical day in the life of a project manager. Finally, let's explore some steps that will help you land a career in project management. So before we get started with the topic, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech content by Edureka. Also, visit the Edureka website for training and certification courses, the link to which is in the description box below. Introduction to project management. So project management deals with organizing and managing resources to achieve objectives within a set time frame. Project management mainly consists of 5 processes. Initiating. Initiating is basically defining and authorizing the project. Planning. Establishing project objectives, scope, schedule, budget, and resources. Executing. Carrying out the project plan by coordinating people and resources. Monitoring. Tracking project performance and managing changes. Closing. Finalizing all project activities and delivering the project. So now let's understand the main responsibilities of project managers. First one is defining the project scope, objectives, deliverables, and success criteria. Second, developing project plans, schedules, and timelines. Third, identifying project stakeholders. And fourth is allocating resources based on project requirements. They conduct risk assessments and also create risk management plans. So now let's take a look at some of the career opportunities in project management. Project coordinator or assistant. So this is an entry-level position that involves supporting project managers with administrative tasks, scheduling, and documentation. This role provides foundational experience in project management. Second is project manager. Project managers are responsible for planning, executing, and finalizing projects within the budget and schedule constraints. Project managers oversee project teams, manage resources, and communicate with stakeholders to ensure successful project delivery. Third is program manager. Program manager manages programs to achieve strategic business objectives. Program managers coordinate between projects, allocate resources, and provide oversight to ensure alignment with organizational goals. Fourth is consultant. Consultant works for consulting firms to provide project management expertise to clients. They assist with project planning, execution, improvement, or project recovery for various organizations and industries. Fifth role is risk manager. Specializes in identifying and managing risks throughout the project lifecycle. Risk managers develop risk management plans, implement strategies, and monitor risk exposure to minimize the impact of potential threats on project objectives. So now let's see what a typical day in the life of a project manager might look. So a project manager starts the day by reviewing emails and messages to address urgent issues or requests. Then they check the project management tools to review task assessments, upcoming deadlines, and project status updates. They prioritize tasks for the day and create a to-do list or agenda. Then they stand up with the project team to discuss progress, priorities, and any potential roadblocks. They then provide clarification on tasks and project objectives, address any concerns raised by the team members. They then communicate with project stakeholders to provide updates on project progress and deliverables. They schedule meetings or calls with key stakeholders to discuss project status, collaborate with stakeholders to gather feedback, requirements, or approvals for project deliverables. They then review and update the project plan and timelines and coordinate project activities and tasks, ensuring alignment with the project objectives and timeline. So by the end of the day, they conduct a brief review to assess progress. They update task lists and priorities for the next day based on the current progress and communicate with the project team to provide feedback. So isn't that exciting? So if you love organizing and planning events, then a career in project management is your best career choice. So landing a career in project management involves a combination of education, hands-on experience, and continuous learning. So here are some general steps to help you pursue a career in project management. So the first step is to obtain a relevant degree in project management, business administration, engineering, or a related field. If you want to get started with project management, try gaining practical experience through internships and entry-level positions. Look for roles that involve project coordination, administrative support, or assisting project managers in developing foundational skills and understanding project management process. Step 3 is developing skills. The best part about project management is that you do not require strong technical skills. Develop essential project management skills such as leadership, communication, problem solving, time management, and organizational skills. These skills are critical for effectively managing projects and collaborating with team members and clients. So the fourth step is networking. Network with professionals in the project management field through industry events, conferences, workshops, and online forums. Join project management associations or organizations to connect with peers, learn about job opportunities, and stay updated on industry trends. Step 5 is certifications. Consider obtaining certifications to enhance your credentials and demonstrate your expertise to potential employers. So PMP is a globally recognized certification provided by the Project Management Institute to professionals who demonstrate project management knowledge and skills. PMP certification is a valuable credential for project managers seeking to validate their skills and knowledge and experience in project management and enhance their professional credibility and career prospects in the field. So check out PMP certification offered by Edureka. This is a globally recognized project management professional certification. This PMP training is live and instructor-led, which gives you extensive knowledge of project management concepts highlighted in the PMBOK guide, 7th edition, and is aligned with the latest PMP exam content outline. Prince 2. Prince 2 stands for Projects in Controlled Environments and is a project management framework. The UK government developed this framework in the 1980s and it is now a global standard for project management. Prince 2 is considered the world's most practiced method for project management. Because of its popularity and ease of use, organizations are in search of candidates who possess a Prince 2 certification. Check out Edureka's Prince 2 certification training, which offers insights into project management frameworks by imparting a deep understanding of integrated principles, elements, themes, and processes. The Prince 2 course curriculum is aligned with the latest 7th edition guide, and this Prince 2 training will help you master the Prince 2 methodology and acquire the skills and techniques needed to ensure project success. So apart from PMP and Prince 2, there are other certifications such as Certified Associate in Project Management, Agile and Scrum certifications, Certified Project Manager, and Certified Project Management Professional. So the last and the most important step is staying updated. Stay updated on the latest project management frameworks and tools by attending training courses, workshops, and webinars. Invest in professional development to enhance your skills in the field of project management. So the scope of project management is broad and plays a crucial role in achieving strategic objectives, delivering products or services, and driving business success. Leadership, communication, and problem-solving skills are essential for delivering projects that meet stakeholder expectations. I wish you all the best for your project management journey. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and keep learning.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!